So, as we all know, crazy weekend that just dawned upon us. U.S. and Israel struck Iran, killed the guy, Khamenei. So, shouldn't really convince yourself bullish or bearish Monday. This is we know American markets are kind of crazy. Don't full port some selling stuff. Just kind of wait. But the big thing is oil. Just goes for everybody. I mean, everyone's got to pay for oil. A lot of oil comes through the Strait of Hormuz, and Iran might close it off. And this is something that just came in that Goldman Sachs said. This is 43 minutes ago on some weird Chinese website. But Goldman Sachs warns European natural gas prices could surge 130% if Iran unleashes Black Swan, which is cut off the Strait of Hormuz for a month. But on the other hand, OPEC is saying it's modestly upping its production a little bit, kind of trying to offset that. And it says OPEC announced it would raise daily output by 206,000 barrels per day in April. So that might blunt the price spike. And then if you look at oil right now, it's at 70 a barrel. So people are saying that if it goes to 90, us in the U.S. might pay above $3 nationally. And I know there's probably some places like California that already pay that because of the stupid California stuff, but I digress. Another thing we got to look at is private credit. People haven't talked about it, but see the collapse of UK mortgage provider Market Financial Solutions, sparking worries about a broader bank losses. There's a $2 trillion private credit industry, expanding rapidly in the past decade. And people are saying there's the cockroach theory, which is if you find one problem in private credit, there are usually more hiding. So, private credit is a corner of the market, but that's how corporate lending is done, private credit. And then when people see cracks, people are scared. As we know, emotions run high when there's money involved. But I was listening to Mark Meldrum about his video, kind of a long video, hour and 20 minutes, but going back on my little spiel about Jack Dorsey saying that there are AI unemployment from AI. No, he's just trying to cover up the fact that his company overemployed during COVID and after COVID. So, big thing we got to see. Iran, oil, Strait of Hormuz. That's the thing. If you're in Europe, watch out. If it closes, you can start biking. That's all I gotta say. Private credit. Do some searches on that. And then, of course, AI is going to be in the back of our head. But I think AI and private credit kind of in the back burners here. But keep that in mind. Of course, don't forget about Iran. But, again, AI, private credit.